Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shitlang pole. Shitlang pole pheti ba Shitlang pole. Shitlang pole. He's been elected from Sutnga. You know him very well. He during his election in 2013, he lost the election, and in the bastion, in the booths of the MP, he got only 5 votes. In the booths of our Shillong 1 parliamentary MP, he got only 5 votes. And in 2018, he got 28 votes. Bob Chinampal. Means the present PCC president is working all odds against Ma Shitlang. During he was in the Congress also, and that's why I think they have done the right thing that they leave the Congress also. So kini ki bro kilang ba ni nga kung u nangkit kam ngalaray lang ba nan mino na kanika party Congress yaman ta sipor nan don sa kumni nan numlek sa kanu ko party nan don no marway show amta nan numlek sa kanu party. I'm not going to join any party.
You don't want to be the part of politics anymore?
No, not politics. I'll be in politics, very much in politics, but I will take a little bit time.
The rumor says that you are joining AITC. How far is it?
That you can ask from those who have given you a rumors. Not from me. I am from the horse's mouth. I've already told you that for a time being, I will be out of politics. It might be 1 month, 2 months, 3 days, 5 days, whatever. But for a time being, I'll be out of.
But why not join the AITC like the rest of the leaders of the Congress have switched to AITC? Why not?
No, I won't join. I will see first. I've already told you that I will join any party afterwards. Not now.